Hi! In this video, I will show you how to use Wondershare Filmora. To start, let's open our Wondershare Filmora app. Choose the screen ratio that you will use. We can create project by clicking here and also here. We open our projects in this button right here and in here also. We can open our projects in Cloud Project right here if you have an account. In here is the Creator Hub where we can watch different tutorials about Filmora. In here are the different applications that you can use separately depending on what you need. Now, let's continue on the main function of Filmora, which is the video editing. Click on New Project. This is the menu bar of Filmora. In here is our project name. These are the buttons for Layout Mode, Save Project, Transfer Center, Toolbox, Purchase, and our profile. In here are the different media elements that we can add into our video. We can import media, stock media, audio, titles, transitions, effects, stickers, and templates. In here, we can choose the quality of our playback screen. And this is our playback screen right here. This icon right here is our toolbar. We can custom our toolbar by choosing the tools that we always need. And in here is our timeline where we edit and add our images, audios, templates, and other elements. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more video like this, please subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye!